Verify that sine 2x plus 2 sine 4x plus sine 6x equals 4 times sine of 4x times cosine squared x. We will start the problem from the left hand side. So here let's start by adding sine 2x with sine 6x first. And we have the third term, that's 2 times sine of 4x. Now here sine 2x plus sine 6x can be added by using sine A plus sine B. So that's given by 2 times sine of angle A plus B over 2 times cosine of angle A minus B over 2. So that will be equals to 2 times sine of angle. So we have 2x added to 6x, that's 8x. So we have 8x over 2 multiplied to cosine of angle. So we have 6x minus 2x, so that's going to be 4x divided by 2, plus 2 times sine of 4x equals to 2 times sine of angle. So 8x over 2, that's going to be 4x, multiplied to cosine of 2x, plus 2 times sine of 4x. Now, what we can do, we can take 2 times sine of 4x as the common factor. So that gets multiplied to 1 plus cosine of 2x. Now, we know that cosine of 2x, that's equals to 2 times cosine squared x minus 1. Which means that 1 plus cosine 2x can be replaced with 2 times cosine squared x. So we will now have 2 times sine 4x multiplied to 2 times cosine squared x. Okay, so 2 times 2, that will be 4. So we have 4 times sine 4x multiplied to cosine squared x. This is equals to the right hand side. So therefore, we have successfully proved that the following equation is true.